I'm Nature Brit. Brit is strong.
And I'm Nature Phil. We're going to be showing you how to survive in the wild. Alright, come on. Very dangerous.
Welcome to the British Outlands. Population 0. No civilization anywhere.
Please do not try this at home. Oh. It's getting very rocky here.
We must take that separate paths.
But we need to stay close together so we don't get split up.
I'm scared. I've never done this before.
Christian! British!
Oh my gosh, where could he be? Now, this is currently a time of no remorse in England.
Oh, there you are.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
Okay.
Oh, I'm falling.
I noticed this before. It's called a gumdrop. I know.
These are trees, commonly referred to as trees.
This plant is very dangerous, but if you look, you can find fruit in one place.
Please, don't attempt this at home.
I think I found the fruit. Come on, get in on me. I found the fruit. Now this can be very poisonous. Do you want a piece of the fruit?
No, thank you. But you should try to make sure it's not poisonous.
Oh. Turn the video.
Please excuse this unexcused interruption.
It's poisonous. Come on. No civilization whatsoever.
Please take note of this fungus. Very edible. It's very tasty.
I've seen this before. The fruit of the guavaberry tree. I found it. Hold this fruit. Better try. This is commonly referred to as a banana. It's bad. So I throw it away.
Just throw it in the creek.
Alright.
Splosh. Oh my gosh. This is rugged terrain. Children, do not try this at home.
Well, give me the camera. It's about time to set up shelter for the night. Please stand by while we build our shelter. Sorry for that interruption.
Come see us tomorrow night to see what we built on our shelter, and when we return to civilization.
We're gonna come up with a part 2. See you later.